Alright guys, so our next stop is Utah. And we just finished getting to the laundromat. We got soaked with Max Powell, so we have a ton of stuff that we need to wash. And as you guys can see, I'm basically carrying my house with me. Time to wash it. And we're thinking of pulling through and just, you know, going 29 hours driving all the way to Utah, but I don't know. I might have David help me out. We're still trying to debate whether we're gonna stay in a hotel, drive, camp. We don't know, but first we gotta wash.
The police are on the way. Huh? The police are on the way.
Why?
Okay. You're gonna be trespassed. It's at 10 o'clock.
What the heck, man? Okay, so we just went to go wash our clothes, and now they're all still wet because the place closed at 10 and the security guard called the police on us.
He's like, the cops are coming here. Whatever, man, just let it go. We gotta hit Utah. It's, what time is it? It's 10:14, and we have a 29-hour drive to go. So let's get it.
So we are currently passing the Grande Ronde River, and we are still in Washington.
We're about to cross into the border of Idaho. I just finished taking the wheel again. I slept for about 2 hours, and I woke up and everything was just white. We got White City.
Perfect. I'll be planning for that.
Okay, awesome, Dan. I'll see you soon, man.
Alright, see ya.
Take care, bye. So that was Dan. I want to see if I can get some glasses done for you guys. They're actually made out of wood. Yeah, they're really, really cool, but you know, them being made out of wood, I actually want to see them in person and make sure that that they're of good quality and that they are gonna last. Also that they look fresh. So let's go check it out.
This is kind of going to be our warehouse.
Okay.
So this is going to be the actual shape of that. I just want to pull that for you.
Do you have this in charcoal by any chance?
We don't.
No?
We've actually never manufactured any of the gray maple
Wow,
stuff
I really like this feel. Yeah, I like it. It's different.
that we're going to be producing from.
Dude, I really like this one.
10 or 11, I don't know, somewhere around there.
Oh yeah, dude. We're gonna do business.
Yeah, for sure.
This is
Those
awesome.
are good.
Yeah.
I like those ones on you better than the other ones.
The other ones. I think we're gonna start with this model,
Okay.
and then depending on how they move, we'll move from there. Dude,
Yeah,
I think it's gonna look really
I think
cool.
it's going to look awesome,
Yeah.
especially with the black accent.
Dude, I can't wait, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Awesome.
having me.
Yeah, dude, thanks for stopping by. Hey,
No problem. I realized that they were here in this little town just crossing and seeing a sign, so I had to stop and just make sure. I really like how these glasses look. The feel, it's just really, really nice. I think it's gonna be a really cool add-on to our collection. So let's get back on the road. Dude, it's freezing. Oh man. Time for me to sleep, guys. I've been driving forever. Can't take it anymore. How much have we slept?
I've slept maybe like 3 hours, and you've slept like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Just switching back and forth.
So we haven't gotten much sleep. It's definitely not healthy, but we just gotta pull through, guys.
Do it.
We gotta keep going. We definitely need to get to Utah. There's a lot of stuff. We are actually going back to HERETIC Studios to get our chase lights installed, so that's gonna be sweet. Alright, we got our new house. Oh man, this truck smells like shit. Dude, it's all the wet clothes. It's all the wet clothes. We gotta go dry those.
Operation dry out all our clothes.
This is drenched. So
Finally, we're gonna have dry clothes.
Approximately 10 hours later.
just got off the phone with Justin McBride. We're gonna go hang out, plan out a little more things on the meet that we have tomorrow. And then we might stop by HERETIC Studios to put some chase lights, because I really like how these performed, as well as the 20-inch and the 40-inch light bar. Those things are sweet. Alright guys, we just got to HERETIC. I'm here with Dave. We're coming to pick up our chase lights. Let's get it done. Let's get them all wired up. Dave, thanks a lot, man. I'll see you tomorrow at the meet. Thanks for having us.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks, guys.
See you, Dave. See ya.
We got the chase lights. Apart from them having an awesome light output, I love it that they're made here in the US. I actually saw them working on them, and that's pretty cool. So these are actually gonna go right here with the mount that we have to get, and they're gonna go on each side. So we're just messing around right now. We went to Picture Line. We got a little bit of gear that we needed, and then Justin just finished bringing us to this awesome place, because we just need to get this sunset shot. I mean, just look at how the sunlight reflects off of the mountains. It's insane. Guys, we're actually right now at the Diesel Brothers shop. We're only allowed to shoot facing that way, just because all of their secret builds are right behind this camera, and they're actually insane. They're just, they're out of this world.
Yeah. You're a pro at taking out your brake lights, right? They still
I got my finger!
We made it through.
We are trying to get the wire to this, which will be right here.
If we run the positive and the negative here, I mean, we're gonna wire those so that when I click one button.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
So you'll have 2 positives and 2 negatives running the entire way. Okay, so I'm gonna go get you 2 ring terminal or 4 ring terminals so we can make that run.
Got it? Got it? And that I just kind of had to get lucky. There we go.
I was gonna go fix. Boom. Both sides. Alright, keep it down. Cover both of them up.
That's the beauty of the S-Pod, guys. Simply put your red wire, your black wire, and you're good to go, right? Alright guys, that's it for the install. The lights are fully installed, they look awesome. Alright guys, we just made it to the park. This is where the meet's gonna be held at in Utah. I'm extremely excited. I've seen some really cool things on Facebook and Instagram about this meet, and there's already Tacomas here. That's crazy. It's not even 5. That is awesome, guys.
I'm Nick with Heretic Studio, coming out here to check out the gathering, seeing what Tacomabeast is bringing us together for.
Wow, we have a lot of people here.
Yeah. All right, who wants one?
So everyone who got a ticket, if you guys can just go to that side, that would be awesome, okay? First of all, I want to thank you guys for coming out here. If it wasn't for you guys, this would have not been possible. I also want to let you guys know you guys beat every single other state out there for the meet with the amount of people that we managed to get out here tonight. So thank you. All right, so the first thing we're going to be giving away,
And we have 014.
015, man, they got robbed.
Hot dang. It is 045.
That is me.
Haha. Perfect. 074. Oh! 711. 711, look at that. 62. The free alignment goes to 9. Number 9. Hell yeah, man. Okay. The first CBI gift card goes to 29. The second CBI goes to 73.
Alright, the last two guys are $75 gift card to anything at the Tacomabeast.com webpage, okay? Alright, last chance to win anything. You guys ready?
71.
Alright guys, we actually have one more product from Overlanding Off-Road, and this is an awning for your Tacoma. Alright?
That is a 65, my friend.
Alright guys, we're out here with Adam and Kyle, and they were telling me a cool story on how they actually met at an event, right?
Cruiser Outfitters Cruiser Fest. Yeah. Rolled up, had similar looking vehicles. I got an early 5th gen, he's got a late 5th gen, same color. Rolled up, we're like your rig, and just started talking. And literally, I'm new here, so I met him and I met his friends, and ever since that we've been hanging out. Like you were talking about, like the connection between people who have Toyotas and they like to do the same things off-road, and they like to camp, hike, anything like that. When you have that commonality, it just, you become fast friends and you just start doing things. And when you're hanging out by a campfire, you just start to really develop a bond like that.
And you start to realize that you have a lot more things in common.
Exactly.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for the Utah meet. So far, it's topped off all the other events. I'll see you guys on the next video.